Hey everyone, today we're going to do a purchase from Coinmama over to USI Tech so that you can see how this process works. I'm logged into Coinmama right now, and I'm also logged into USI Tech over here. So let's get this party started. We'll do a place order. The amount that I need to do, I like to overfund by a minimum amount of packs and then overfund it and then do a rebuy. So let's see, 2,200 divided by 60 because the packet's roughly that. So 36 packs. So we'd come over here and we get BTC wallet. So everybody, this is a good learning experiment. If you see this, this is offered to you, your USI Tech wallet, because you have money in your wallet. You can spend your money. But we want to send it from Coinmama, so that's a BTC wallet, the provider of your choice. And I'm going to use Coinmama as the provider of my choice. So let's get this set up with 36 packs. Okay. As you see, it's not going into my account. I am not Lana Easley. I am doing a purchase for her. So we come over here to Coinmama now. We come over here to buy Bitcoin. Scroll down here. I need to send over the amount I'm going for is 2413. Okay. We'll put the decimals in. Buy Bitcoin. Choose debit card. Come over here. FYI, here's the new mining fee implemented, but when you're buying this many packets, you're back to your normal price. So we'll go ahead and hit purchase. We'll come over here, we'll highlight the wallet, copy it, come back to Coinmama, put that in. Input my information, pay now. Come on, Coinmama. It's going to tell me it's sending me an email. Or it might be going through my USAA app since I used my debit card. We'll see what it says. You have received your payment USD on order. We are reviewing your order and may make sure before we can send you coins, you must confirm your wallet by clicking the link in the email we sent you. Alright, let's go to my email. Coinmama. Click the link. In a perfect world, we will be good to go. Wallet confirmed. Good stuff. Continue to Coinmama. Alright. So, as you can see up here, we're currently under heavy load. Every verification support request will be taken care of. So, it might take a little longer for it to get there because it's in the wonderful process. It's going to the wonderful world of USI Tech. And if we go over here to USI, they have not yet received it, but it could take some time. You guys all know that the transaction times right now are a little slower due to the backlog as everybody and their mother's getting in. So we will let this to continue to go through. Just an FYI, if you want to know, okay, so this is what I was supposed to send to them, 13988. What the heck did I send to them? We oversent, so 13988 is what they needed. So we sent 14315. What we will do is we will use the wonderful extra and do a package rebuy. So I'll show you that real quick over here. We'll pretend that this comes up. USI. Really? You can log in with your email address. You can log in with your username. Doesn't matter. So let's pretend that it was sent to my account. And whenever USI Tech decides to come up, let me move this into the screen. Come on, USI. Well, what we would do is we'd just go in and we would just do a rebuy because the excess money from this account that this is going to go, it's going to go into the wallet of this account. But I'm not going to go there. I'm going to let the time out before I go back to the dashboard. So that's what would happen if everything was able to show you. Of course, it's still not showing. So moral of the story is, guys, you would just do a rebuy. Maybe it's not liking me because I'm logged in as Lana on this one, trying to log in as Bob on the other. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. And now you have seen how to do a transaction from Coinmama to USI Tech. All right, have a great day.